Want to speak real Dutch from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at DutchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. Hallo daar, ik ben Thomas. Welcome to another Dutch whiteboard lesson. In this lesson you'll learn how to tell someone your phone number in Dutch. Let's get started. Let's look at the vocabulary. When giving a phone number in Dutch, we usually say each digit separately. So, let's first take a look at how we say the 10 single-digit numbers in Dutch, from the smallest to the biggest. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's do that again, but with English. And try to repeat after me. 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, 6. 7, 7, 7, 7. 8, 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, 9, 9. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the patterns for giving a phone number. See if you can identify the standard format. Wat is uw telefoonnummer? What's your phone number? Mijn telefoonnummer is. My phone number is. 010 010 562 562 0303 1414. Let's do that one more time, but a bit more slowly. Wat is uw telefoonnummer? Mijn telefoonnummer is 010 562 0314. Let's take a closer look at this dialogue. First is the request, what's your phone number? Wat is uw telefoonnummer? Then the answer, mijn telefoonnummer is 010 562 0314. Did you notice the format? In Dutch, we separate a phone number into the area code, followed by sets of 3, 2, and again 2 digits. When you tell someone your phone number, leave a short pause between each set. So, 0, 10, 0, 10, 562 0314. You may also have noticed an odd exception. The area code is not read digit by digit. It is not read 010 010, but it is read 010 010. This is why we added 10, 10 and 20, 20 to the vocabulary list. 010 010 is the area code for Rotterdam. 020 020 is the area code for Amsterdam. Let's look at another example. Mijn telefoonnummer is 06 3244 3928. My phone number is 06 3244 3928. Did you notice the differences? 06 or 06 is the standard for all cell phone numbers. Also, a cell phone number is written in a different pattern than a standard phone number. 2 sets of 4. 3244 3928. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. The standard sentence pattern for giving your phone number in Dutch is: Mijn telefoonnummer is phone number. My phone number is phone number. In other words, the sentence pattern is identical to what it is in English. You've learned that 010, 010 is the area code for Rotterdam. And 020, 020 is the area code for Amsterdam. In common speech, these numbers have come to signify those cities themselves, and so they are used even when not talking about phone numbers. For example, ik ga naar 020 or I'm going to 020 means I'm going to Amsterdam. It's also useful to remember the emergency number. In the Netherlands, it is 112, which is pronounced as separate digits, 112. Do you remember how to say 1? 1. 1. And how to say 2? 2. 2. Do you remember how to say 3? 3. 3. And how to say 4? 4. 4. Do you remember how to say 5? 5. 5. And how to say 6? 6. 6. Do you remember how to say 7? 7. 7. And how to say 8? 8. 8. Do you remember how to say 9? 9. 9. And how to say 0? 0. 0. Do you remember how to say phone number? Telefoonnummer. Telefoonnummer. And how to say my phone number? Mijn telefoonnummer. Mijn telefoonnummer. Do you remember how to say, my phone number is 010 562 0314? Mijn telefoonnummer is 010 562 0314. Mijn telefoonnummer is 010 562 0314. In this lesson, you learned how to tell someone your phone number in Dutch. Thanks for watching. I'm Thomas and I'll see you again on DutchPod101.com. Tot ziens!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.